Okay, I'm going to try and get some footage of double shot, which is behind us. We're heading to Cooktown and it's really rough. About 25-30 knot winds and we're sailing into it. So, very difficult to get a picture. Goodness me. With all the white water behind us. Oh, a massive wave. Okay, we have Train Amigos alongside us.
Wondering what that is hanging off the front of your boat, over. A silly farm, over. It must be mad, over. God, but we can't hang on down here, he's bouncing all over the place, over. Look at it in there. Oh, getting it on video, over.
Oh my god, I'll get some on video.
There's no videos, you get flicked off in the video, stupid. A bit like a rag doll, he'll go over the cabin and into the water, over.
Let's see if I can get some video of that.
Actually, I'm not sure about that. This is all white sail, right, next to the tanker. In that bay, it'll be a bit smoother. Oh, that's good. We're getting the odd wave on over the boat. Getting every wave over the bow. I said boat too. Going pretty fast though, so that's right. We've sailed the whole way, so we're going good. There's some over an hour out of Cooktown now. It's probably what I think about.
God, I can't hold it still because it's so rough.
I'll be thinking of your walk, but take it easy, you'll get there. See you soon.
It's double shot.
Over. Stand by.
Yeah. So rough. Where are they gone? Oh, there they are. Okay. I think Jack is on the front of the bow of double shot. I'm losing them.